today? I'm so happy that it's Friday and it's almost the weekend. Shall we start our day with one of our Letterland songs? Let's sing Oscar Orange. Oscar Orange lives at the docks. You'll find him in an orange box. Oscar says, put your hands on top of your head. Now take them off, on, and off. Let's see what work we have to do today. It's Friday, the 14th of August. Let's see what work we have to do today. Count aloud from 1 to 70. First with your counting card and then put it away and count from 1 to 70 without looking at it. The last thing, count backwards from 20 all the way to 0. Let's practice our subtraction sums or our taking away sums. The first number at the bottom of your screen is the number of pictures that Mrs. Aston has put up there. And the second number is the number I want you to take away or cross out. What would your answer be if you could write in that square box? Let's find some words that start with these sounds. A, E, W, A, A, G, V, D, K, J, N, M, R, S, I, and K. Over the next 4 slides, there'll be 2 pictures on your screen. You have to decide which one starts with V and which one starts with W. Let's practice our nursery rhyme, Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey, when down came a spider that sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Let's read together. The first word is one. Us, us. In, in. D, O, G. Dog. It's Friday today, and that means it's art day and doing a little bit of fun. So today we're going to make a windmill, all right? And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. All right, this is what you're going to need. This piece of paper that was in your work pack, one pin from Mommy's sewing kit, a black Koki or a black ballpoint pen, a straw, some scissors, and some Kokis or anything to color in with. All right, step number 1. Take your worksheet and using your black ballpoint pen or your black Koki, I want you to draw a dot in the middle of the square, just like that. Then I want you to draw a dot in the bottom right-hand corner of every triangle. There we go. Here we go. Bottom right and bottom right. Then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take your crayons or your Kokis or whatever coloring in things you've got, and I'd like you to color in your square. And abracadabra, whoosh. That's what it's going to look like. You're going to color it in and you're going to cut it out beautifully like Mrs. Aston has cut it out. Then the next step, you're going to take your scissors, holding Tommy thumb at the top and Tommy thumb at the top. You're going to cut along these black lines. But when the black line stops, you're going to stop. Stop. Turn it around. Cut along the black line. Stop. Turn around. Cut along the black line. And stop. Turn around. Cut along the black line. And stop. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like when you have cut out those lines. Now, something I forgot to tell you earlier was that you're going to need your glue for this one. So you're going to take the lid off the glue and you're going to put a circle of glue on the middle dot. Whoopsie. And then you're going to make this dot touch the middle dot. Lift it over and let them meet up. Put a little bit more glue. Let that black dot touch that black dot. Here we go. Then put some more glue. Oh, I'm making quite a mess here, Blue Group. And let this black dot touch that black dot. And last one, I think I'm going to get clever here and I'm going to put the glue here, rather than this dot here. And you fold this dot to meet that black dot in the middle. And then you wait for the glue to dry a little bit. All right. Then you take your pin from Mommy's sewing kit and you poke a hole right through the middle of the windmill. Now, I think Mommy might need to help you with this. If you're worried about poking yourself, Mrs. Aston might have helped you in the classroom if we were doing this at school. So we're going to poke a hole right through the middle of the windmill, right through to the other side. And then we're going to take our straw and we're going to poke a hole through the top of our straw all the way to the other side. And we've made a beautiful windmill to blow. Have a happy weekend, boys and girls. The first worksheet we're going to be doing is our Vicky Violet revision worksheet. First, I want you to trace the V's with your Koki. Then I want you to draw 4 pictures starting with V and then color them in when you're finished. Your second worksheet is almost exactly the same as your first one. Trace the W sounds with your Koki. Draw 4 pictures that start with W and then color them in when you're done. The time has come for our dance lesson with Mrs. Renew. I'll see you on Monday, boys and girls. Bye-bye.